Hey guys, I'm going to make another how-to video on how to remove a rear seat completely from a 2015 Ford Taurus. I believe it's 14 and newer or 13 and newer, but it should all be the same way. It should all be pretty standard. So without anything further, we're going to get into it. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to take the bottom seat out and the seat back. So what you're going to need to do, the seat is going to be sat like that, right? You're going to need to reach your hand underneath. I'm going to expose this area so I can show you. You're going to need to get to this clip. When you get here, you're just going to pull that way and apply gentle pressure upward with your other hand, and it should release from this hook right here. You're going to do that on both sides, and you should be able to take your seat out. When it comes to your seat back, it's going to be secured at the bottom here on both sides. I've already taken these bolts off, or I'm sorry, the nuts off. You can see the nut mark right there. What you're gonna have to do is you're going to have to take the nut off. I'll show you where it is. Okay, it's right there. You're gonna have to have somebody help you on either side. Kind of lift up right here and kind of get it loose. After that is done, it's going to be latched in here. The way to get to that latch is you're going to have to reach back in here. You're going to have to pull and kind of reach your hand. It's not going to be that easy, but you're going to have to reach your hand in there and find this strap. When you do so, it's like a loop. You're just going to have to pull. You're going to have to kind of release the pressure on it and kind of pull at the same time. It's the latch system in there, and then you'll undo it. Do that for both sides and we should be good to go. I'm going to do that real quick and I'll come back to the video. So as you can see, we're back. You can see the latch system right here and right there. The latch is right there. You really have to kind of wiggle your hand, apply pressure outward with like this hand, and then squeeze this other end in here. You're really going to have to kind of search for it. This one was kind of stuck up here, so I couldn't really get to it. I suppose you can go from the top, but it's a little bit harder. All you got to do is reach in here and you'll see how it releases that latch. Once you do that and you release it on both sides, this thing literally should just be able to pull forward. To put it back, you replace the same way. That is how to take the rear seat completely out of a 2015 or newer Ford Taurus.